Did you know that the no-code development platform market is forecasted to grow to $187 billion by the year 2030, at a compound annual growth rate of 28.1% from 2020? We're in the midst of a revolution. No-code platforms like Bubble are democratizing the world of software development, empowering individuals to build applications without the need for complex coding. This transformative shift is not just about making development accessible, but it's also about profitability. Think about it. With no code, the barriers to entry are significantly lowered. The market is ripe with opportunities for those who can identify needs, create solutions, and deliver value. And the best part, you don't need to be a coding wizard to do this. Bubble is a shining example of a platform that's bridging the gap between ideas and execution. With Bubble, anyone can become a developer and create profitable solutions. So let's explore how. Before you begin, understanding your strengths, interests, and expertise is a crucial first step. On the surface, Bubble is a robust no-code platform, a tool that empowers you to create applications without writing a single line of code. But beneath that surface, it's a canvas for your entrepreneurial spirit, a springboard for your ideas. Your journey to creating profitable solutions on Bubble begins with introspection. It's about understanding what you bring to the table. Maybe you've got a knack for spotting inefficiencies in processes, or you have a deep understanding of a particular industry from past experiences. Perhaps you're passionate about a cause, and you want to create something that makes a difference. These strengths, interests, and expertise are the catalysts that will drive your success on Bubble. Let's illustrate this with a few examples. Picture yourself as a real estate enthusiast. You understand the ins and outs of the industry, and you see a gap in the market for a custom CRM solution for real estate agents. With Bubble, you can turn that idea into a reality, creating a tool that streamlines lead management and automates follow-ups. Or perhaps you're an advocate for education. You're passionate about making learning more interactive and tailored to individual needs. Bubble enables you to build an e-learning platform that revolutionizes the way students engage with educational content. Let's consider one more scenario. Suppose you're an expert at process optimization with a talent for making workflows more efficient. You could leverage Bubble to build a task automation tool, catering to a specific industry's needs, be it finance, logistics, or any other sector. These are just examples, but they highlight how your unique strengths and passions can translate to successful applications on Bubble. It's about connecting the dots between what you're good at, what you're passionate about, and where you can create value. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach to success on Bubble. It's a journey of exploration and discovery fueled by your unique strengths and interests. Your unique skills and passions are your greatest asset when it comes to creating profitable solutions on Bubble. The key to creating a successful application is identifying and addressing pain points within specific industries. So how do you spot these pain points? It's all about research and engagement. Start by delving into the industry that aligns with your strengths and interests. Explore its current landscape, understand the prevailing challenges, and identify the unmet needs. For instance, consider the healthcare sector. It's an industry ripe with opportunity for improvement through software solutions. Perhaps you've noticed inefficiencies in patient record management, or maybe appointment scheduling could be more streamlined. These are potential pain points that a Bubble application could address. Now, let's look at e-commerce. The online shopping experience is continually evolving and businesses need to keep pace. Are there gaps in personalized shopping experiences? Could inventory management be more efficient? These are questions that might unveil opportunities for you to create applications that enhance the online shopping experience for both consumers and businesses. Then there's the nonprofit sector. These organizations often grapple with challenges related to donor management, volunteer coordination, and fundraising efforts. By identifying these pain points and building solutions to simplify these processes, you could empower nonprofits to focus more on their missions and less on administrative tasks. It's also beneficial to engage with professionals in the industry. Engage in conversations, participate in forums, attend webinars, or even conduct one-on-one interviews. This hands-on approach will provide you with first-hand insights into the industry's challenges and needs. Remember, the goal is to create applications that not only solve problems, but also fulfill unmet needs. You want to create something that's not just functional, but also valuable. And that's where Bubble's no-code platform comes into play. With its user-friendly interface and robust features, you can transform these pain points into profitable applications. You can create solutions that make a difference in people's lives and, in the process, open up avenues for financial success. By addressing these pain points, you can create applications that not only solve problems, but also generate profits. Keeping a finger on the pulse of market trends is another effective strategy for identifying profitable opportunities. In the digital age, change is the only constant. Technology evolves at a rapid pace, and with it, market trends also shift. By staying ahead of these trends, you can identify gaps in the market that offer potential for profitable ventures. To leverage market trends, you need to be both a keen observer and a forward thinker. Study emerging technologies, scrutinize industry reports, follow thought leaders, and keep an eye on what competitors are doing. This will help you spot patterns and identify trends that could be harnessed to create innovative applications using Bubble. For example, let's look at the rise of remote work. With more companies embracing flexible work arrangements, there's a growing demand for tools that facilitate remote collaboration and productivity. If you can anticipate this trend, you might develop an application that bridges the gap between remote teams, perhaps by integrating project management, communication, and time tracking in one easy-to-use platform. Or consider the growing interest in sustainability. More and more consumers are choosing to support businesses that align with their values. This creates an opportunity to develop a platform that connects eco-conscious consumers with sustainable businesses, or perhaps an application that helps businesses track and reduce their environmental impact. Artificial intelligence is another emerging trend worth exploring. With AI becoming increasingly accessible, there's potential to create applications that leverage machine learning to deliver personalized experiences, automate complex tasks, or analyze large volumes of data for actionable insights. And let's not forget about the gig economy. With more people turning to freelance work, there's a need for platforms that connect freelancers with clients, manage projects, or handle invoicing and payments. If you can anticipate this demand, you might create a platform that simplifies the freelance process. By staying ahead of market trends, you can position yourself to seize profitable opportunities as they emerge. Remember, the key is not just to follow the trends, but to think creatively about how you can leverage them to deliver unique, valuable solutions using Bubble's no-code platform. Once you've identified a potential opportunity, it's crucial to validate your idea before investing time and resources into development. Think of this stage as a litmus test for your idea's viability. The goal is to ensure that there's a genuine demand for your application and your proposed solution effectively addresses an existing problem. Here are a few strategies to help you validate your idea. First, conduct market research. This involves understanding the competitive landscape, identifying your target audience, and assessing their needs. You're looking to answer key questions like, who are your potential users? What solutions are currently available to them? How does your application improve upon these existing solutions? Next, seek feedback from potential users. This could be through surveys, interviews, or focus groups. Ask them about their challenges, their thoughts on your proposed solution, and what features they'd find most valuable. Remember, these potential users are a rich source of insight. They can provide you with a clearer picture of what your application needs to succeed. Lastly, consider creating a minimum viable product, or MVP. This is a simplified version of your application that includes only the core features necessary to solve the user's problem. An MVP allows you to test your idea in the real world, gather user feedback, and make necessary adjustments before committing to full-scale development. Keep in mind, validating your idea is not a one-and-done process. It's iterative. You gather data, make adjustments, and then gather more data. This ongoing process helps refine your application and increases its chances of success. However, don't let the fear of failure hold you back. Even if your idea doesn't pan out as expected, the insights gained during the validation process are invaluable. They can steer you towards a more viable idea or help you to refine your current one. Validating your idea ensures that there's a demand for your application and sets you up for success. Consider this phase as an investment in your application's future, a step that brings you closer to unleashing the profit potential of your Bubble application. With a validated idea in hand, it's time to build and monetize your application. Building an application on Bubble is a streamlined process thanks to its user-friendly interface and robust features. You start by defining your application's structure, creating data types, and setting up workflows. Then, you design your application's interface using Bubble's drag-and-drop editor, allowing you to craft visually appealing designs without a line of code. As your application evolves, so can its capabilities, as Bubble's flexibility allows for continuous optimization and enhancement. Once your application is built, it's time to think about monetization. The beauty of Bubble is that it supports various business models, enabling you to choose the one that best aligns with your application's purpose and your target audience's preferences. One popular monetization strategy is implementing a subscription model. If your application provides ongoing value, such as a CRM tool or an e-learning platform, users may be willing to pay a recurring fee for access. This model offers the advantage of predictable revenue and fosters customer loyalty. Another strategy is to introduce in-app purchases. These can be digital goods, premium features, or additional content that users can buy within your application. This model works well if your app offers a core experience for free, but has optional enhancements that users can pay for. Advertising is another effective way to generate revenue. If your application attracts a significant user base, you can display ads within your app. While this model can be lucrative, it's important to balance ad placements with user experience to avoid alienating your users. Remember, the most successful applications often combine multiple monetization strategies. For example, you can offer a free version of your app supported by ads, with an option for users to upgrade to an ad-free premium version. By combining a compelling application with an effective monetization strategy, you can turn your idea into a profitable venture. Many entrepreneurs have already leveraged Bubble's capabilities to create profitable solutions. Take, for instance, the dynamic duo of Sarah and James. With a shared passion for sustainability, they recognized a gap in the market for a comprehensive recycling app. Using Bubble, they created EcoSort, an application that educates users on proper recycling practices and connects them with local recycling facilities. Today, EcoSort is a profitable, subscription-based app with thousands of active users, contributing positively to the environment. Then there's FitTrack, a fitness app developed by a former personal trainer, Mark. Mark knew the struggles of keeping track of workouts and progress. He used Bubble to develop an all-in-one fitness tracking solution. FitTrack is now a top-rated app on various app stores, generating substantial revenue from in-app purchases and premium subscriptions. And let's not forget about Event Ease, a platform designed to simplify event planning. Created by an event coordinator, Lisa, this app addresses the common pain points in event organization, like venue selection, guest list management, and event timelines. Lisa used Bubble's no-code platform to bring her vision to life. Today, Eventease is a go-to tool for many event planners, earning through a freemium model and partnerships with event-related businesses. These success stories illustrate how Bubble's no-code platform can be used to create profitable solutions across a variety of sectors. They highlight the importance of identifying your strengths, understanding industry-specific pain points, and leveraging market trends. But most importantly, they demonstrate that with the right idea and execution, anyone can create a successful money-making application with Bubble. Remember, with Bubble, the potential for profit is only limited by your imagination. So start exploring today and unleash your profit potential.